Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox being vertical. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox being vertical, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, you will enter to this window of Roblox and you click. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click on clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.